For Learning Activity 2, the main goal is for you to look into NSTA and create your own library, and then find basically 3 really cool things that you think others would enjoy, and you're going to share that to the discussion board. Then you're going to look into the state standards and the national standards regarding science. And that is going to be done through some articles, specific videos, and then a small group discussion later on. So in looking at activity number 2, Learning Activity 2, for the overview, it's kind of the order of activities. This is what I would like for you to think about doing. Read this article first. It is just kind of a nice introduction to NGSS. And the state of Georgia uses phenomenon-based learning, or 3-dimensional learning. And the reason they do that, I joke and say it's just to be different. But in all honesty, it's very similar to what the national next generation science standards are. And those 3 dimensions, disciplinary core concepts, engineering practices, and cross-cutting concepts. So once you've gone through that, there's some video in the directions, and all of that other stuff is also in your directions. I try to do a short video for you each time, but I wanted to make a specific note of this. The teaching channel only allows you to watch a certain number of videos. So if you choose to watch all of them here, you have to do a membership, but you can also come down to this link and search and watch the video there as well. And then you will choose Explore Georgia's information and select one of those topics to further explore, or you can explore additional resources. So all of that is right here. So just kind of look through that, and if you have questions, you can ask in the Students Concern discussion board or in Hangouts, whatever works. And one last thing, let's go back and make sure we can see what has to be turned in. So group assignments, hopefully I have your group assignments made by now. If not, give me a couple of days. I'm still waiting on people to post what their choices are. And I think Hangouts is always a really good choice. Some people forget about that, but it makes it easier when you are trying to go through class. You have somebody else to ask questions of. So here's the discussion, the students' questions and concerns that I suggested. Choosing your book chapters if you chose to do option 2 for the semester project. Then the Learning Activity 2 discussion, and there's more details about what you need to have for that with your NSTA standards, not NSTA, NGSS standards. And then your Learning Center library, which you will do a screenshot and post it to this assignment spot, and then you're going to do a discussion topic for your top 3 for NSTA. All right, I think that's it.